Okay, today I wanted to show you what I've done with my Google Home Mini. A fantastic, really brilliant piece of technology. Uh, I have this 3 days and I have enhanced it in some of the ways that maybe Google would consider. So the first thing to do this, you will need to remove the Google, the base mat. It's a very nice rubbery kind of silicone material. Helps it stick to things. Anyhow, to take that off, you'll need your wife's high-powered. In this case, I use a Parlux women's or person's hair dryer. Very powerful, and it only took 4 minutes to loosen the glue to take that off. Then you pop out the they're micro Torx screws, take those out, and inside there's actually a black plastic puck which holds the original Google manufactured speaker. I've changed it, as you can see. I have retrofitted a Bluetooth speaker and just hooked the two, the black and red audio cable onto the same speaker connection here. So the reason I did that, plain and simple, is the Google speaker is pretty good, but there's no 3.5mm output for hooking up the speakers. And you're going to see now why you might want to do that. Having a battery there as well means that you're not tied to a power source all the time. I mean, these things are so inexpensive. They're fantastic value that really you'd like to have them everywhere. So I want to have this so I can use it in my car and just set up my mobile phone as a Wi-Fi hotspot and use voice commands for playing music, sat nav, whatever, because Google has so many features that why wouldn't you? Anyway, we're going to give this a shot. Okay, Google, play Into the Garden, Van Morrison.
Sure, In the Garden by Van Morrison, playing on Spotify.
Now, I have a Spotify account, like a lot of people. It's the premium one. But I'm sure you could use other things. I'm very happy with it. So all I'm going to do here now, as you can see, so I've after opened the output. That's a portable. That's a JBL. Now it's not a new one, but it's quality. Standing in the garden, wet with rain. You wipe the teardrops from your eyes in sorrow. You'll be watch the petals fall down to the ground. Okay, so that's that. Look, you don't need any major tools. Obviously, a good soldering iron. I like that's a professional Stanley, real man size utility knife. Great for separating the case. This is only Mark 1 of what I'm doing to this device. Of course, you do realise the warranty is voided once you pop it open. But for €49, who really cares?